So, doing a single axle hub replacement, 5-post. Probably see the issue here. First thing you want to do is remove this here. These work really good, as you can see. Just falls off with them. Just kidding. But the pair of good vice grips that open up good and wide are good for rocking that thing off. Then you expose your cotter pin, which is hidden in the grease there. Expose and remove cotter pin. This is the method I've chosen to get it out of there. I've exposed this little nut here. It's going to come off, should be just finger tight. So next we're going to remove this bolt. This whole assembly should come out. We'll try to have a rag or something down. You're in your dad's driveway. It's a replacement part. So it's a galvanized hub unit, 5-post, and rated for 2,000 pounds. Install your new hub, being careful to make sure that it goes in like your diagram tells you. Should this part here come loose, it tells you how to get it back in there. So, next you want to insert your cotter pin. So hammer on your dust cover, maybe be a little more careful than I was, but should still work.